Hi everyone, so we're here today and I'm so excited because we finally have our Garden Street Loaded Barrel Distillery Missfire gin box. We're going to go through an unboxing and I just can't wait to see what's inside. So first thing, the amazing magazine, definitely the best part of the box beside the gin. Has all the cocktails and our story in there. I really can't wait to get into this myself. Always delicious snacks in the Garden Street boxes. And here, our gin. It's just so amazing to see it as a part of the whole package. Obviously, I've drank a lot of it in my time. Can't wait to see what else is in the box. We have some dehydrated limes as our garnish. They really balance out our gin with this beautiful Fever Tree Mediterranean tonic. It also comes with a great Garden Street keychain that doubles as a bottle opener, so I'll definitely give that a try when we have our gin and tonic later. If you decide to sign up to Garden Street this month, you'll also get these beautiful stemless glasses.